Hey guys, I'm in my 7th year doing music right now, and I might confess, I might quit. I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna quit keeping all these secrets to myself. Hey guys, it's Joel Quintis here, and welcome to my channel. So my music journey started off in year 2017. So me and my friend, we decided to form a band one day, and then we get on with music covers first. Then as time goes by, I start to transit into doing my own original songs. And for this whole journey, it's been 7 years so far. So during the first few years, there's a lot of obstacles that I need to go through because I don't really understand music back then, and I have to go and explore on like YouTube tutorials on different channels on how to make my own music and such. It's not that easy to go through all this because you have to sit at the computer just to understand just a certain topic. Like let's say we're doing EQ mixing, and then sometimes you can't just easily absorb that information all in one day. So one of the biggest obstacles is of course finances. When we say we want to properly start doing music, we have to invest in softwares, we have to invest in like equipments and gears, cameras, lightings. As you can see all over this place, you have no idea what you're getting. Sometimes you are spending way much more money to get something that it's high-end, but in the end it doesn't really apply to your music making journey itself. So even with all these softwares and equipments, I was still struggling to make good music because of the technical knowledge that I have. I always wanted this thing called perfection. I wanted to make a music that is sick as like Ed Sheeran, Taylor Swift. I want that quality, I want that level. But the thing is, no matter how hard I try, my music always seems lacking. Apart from that, personally, my lack of vocal abilities also put me at the back because I couldn't really dare to chase my dreams if I can't sing well. Or so I think. But then again, I think everything happens for a reason. So when I decided to give up myself and help others instead, because I always think that someone else will sing better than me, and then I shifted my focus towards that, and that's where I transited to being a music producer. The fact is that people are able to chase their dreams because of my work, and how do I help them to achieve it. So now you must have think, why am I doing this video all of a sudden? It's not really sudden, but I just wanted to accept myself that I have to step forward to do something about it and not hide behind the PC trying to make songs for people and then just hiding all these secrets that I have. So for all these 7 years, I've seen artists and musicians who quit, who struggle, whether is it by burnout or self-doubt or any external pressures. I just want to say that you're not alone in this world that felt like that. Sometimes I really felt like quitting myself because at some point you will just find that, well, you're not gaining anything, you're not gaining fans, you're not gaining followers, and nobody's really listening to your music, nobody cares. But here's the real truth, I'm not quitting. In fact, I'm here to share with you my secret. Whatever I have now is that I'm sure I could make good music. That's what I believe. So I hope this series can give people who want to make their own music or be their own artists to get to a certain level. It's not that I'm a professional, but then again, I'm confident that with my music producing skills, and I'm confident that if you watch this channel fully, you'll definitely learn something, for sure. So let me properly introduce you to myself. Hi, my name is Joel Quintis, and I'm a singer-songwriter. I love to sing, and I love to rap. I'm a music producer. So I want to hear from you guys as well. What's your story that you ever felt like quitting? And also, what makes you keep going on? Well, if you can share your thoughts in the comment section below, I'll be sure to address them in a Q&A at some point of time, and then we can talk more about it. Just hit the subscribe button and I promise you won't regret it. Alright, I'll see you again soon. Bye!